Hi friends, in this session of coordinate geometry, we study about the distance between 2 points. Let the coordinates of point A are x1, y1 and points B are x2, y2 are given to us. Now we have to find out the distance between A and B. So look at here in this graph, we have 2 points A and B. We have to find out the distance between A, B. And this is our x coordinate and this is our y coordinate, or this is our origin is here. So first I will draw one perpendicular from point A on x-axis. So I draw one perpendicular from here. So first I draw one perpendicular from point A on x-axis. So I draw this perpendicular here. This is our perpendicular. Another perpendicular I am drawing from point B on x-axis. Look at here, this is our another perpendicular. Okay, so these two perpendicular I have drawn. I give some name to this. This is our AM and this is our BN. Now one more perpendicular I am drawing from point A to BN. I draw one more perpendicular from here. Okay, this is our another perpendicular. I give the name to this point also. This is our C point. Now look at here, we have the coordinates of point A are x1, y1 and point B are x2, y2. We know that ON is x2 and OM is x1. Here you see it is x1 and it is x2. So if we have to find out MN, then it would be x2 minus x1. So AC is x2 minus x1 we have. This distance is x2 minus x1. And BC we have to find out BC. So we know that BN is y2 and AM is y1. AM is equal to CN because both are between two parallel lines, AC and MN. So CN is equal to AM, so it is also y2 minus y1. BC is y2 minus y1. From here to here we get it is y1 and this is y2. So we get here y2 minus y1. BC is y2 minus y1 and this is x2 minus x1 we have. Now in this triangle, look at here, this is our 90-degree angle, angle C. In triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. So by the Pythagoras theorem we could find out, as per the Pythagoras theorem, we know that the square of the side opposite to right angle in a triangle is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. So the square of AB is equal to the sum of the square of AC plus BC. So we write in this way, just a moment. So here we could write in this way that AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Okay, so now look at here, if we have to find out the AB only, so we take the square root of both sides. So we get here square root of AB square is AB and the square root of this we have to put the square root sign over this. Now we will put down the values here. So I write down below this figure AB is equal to square root of, because AC square, look at here, I have written here AC square. So AC is x2 minus x1. So we have to put down here x2 minus x1 square plus BC square. So we know that BC is here. BC is y2 minus y1. So we have to put here y2 minus y1 square. So this is the distance formula we have derived here, or we could say it is the square root of the sum of square of differences of both the coordinates. In this way we could say this thing. So let us take one example. If we have 2 points given to us, point P is given to us 3, 4, and point Q is given to us 8, 6. Now we have to find out the distance between these 2 points. We have to find out the PQ. So here we could write that x1 is 3, x2 is 8, y1 is 4, and y2 is 6. So because we know that the formula, because PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So therefore PQ is equal to square root of x2 is 8 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is 6 minus 4 whole square. Implies that PQ is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5 square and 6 minus 4 is 2 square. Implies that PQ is equal to 25, 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 4. So therefore PQ is the square root of 29. So in this way we could find out the distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given to us. Thank you.